Hi there, I'm Joshua Clement with ID Contractors, and today I'm going to talk to you about how to stop the condensation on your plumbing lines. Condensation is caused by the heat and the moisture in the air coming in contact with the cold water running through your pipes. A great way to stop the condensation is getting a dehumidifier in your basements or your crawl space. There's a lot of cool air down there which has a lot of moisture in it, and it tends to stick to your plumbing lines. Dehumidifiers work great. Another great way to stop the condensation on your pipes is to pick up these insulated pipe covers. You can pick them up at any hardware store and they're fairly inexpensive and very easy to install. Take and slide it over the pipes like that. You can cut them to length, fit in between any studs or floor joists. This is a great way to keep your pipes from sweating and creating drip lines or even rotting on your wood. And it's fairly inexpensive to do. Could save you a lot of money in the long run if you start having to replace your floor joists. I'm Joshua Clement with ID Contractors. Thanks for watching.